Wood black. How to open? Hello? Hello, hello. Hello. Good morning. Hello, good morning, everyone. Hello. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. What happened? How to close this? I'll choose the pen. Good morning. Hello. Good morning, everyone. Starting the class. Hello. Good morning.
Hello, 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 Aram. Hello, 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 hello. हाँ, hello, hello, hello. Login on YouTube आ रही ना? Hello, 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 hello.
One second. Let's start. Good morning, everyone. Myself is Mrs. Sunita. I'm from Chandnar Boys. I'll be taking chemistry remedial classes for advanced supplementary. Okay, students, welcome to the online classes. So boys, sorry students. So we'll discuss about the LAQs. So we'll be getting three LAQs. One LAQ you will get from physical chemistry, and second LAQ you will get from inorganic chemistry, and the third LAQ will be from organic chemistry. So as you know, so we are having 8 marks is related for the LAQs. So if you attempt any two of this, you'll be getting 16 marks here itself. Okay. So from physical chemistry means you will get one bit from electrochemistry and one bit from chemical kinetics. Or you will get one bit from surface chemistry also, or one bit from solid state or solutions. So whatever topics are there under physical chemistry, you will be getting in the bits, A bit and B bit. So there is no direct LAQ from physical chemistry except collision theory. And that collision theory also you'll be getting in the LAQ, or mostly they will give that as a SAQ only. So two bits you'll be getting. So you have to attempt two bits, A and B, then only you will get a full 8 marks. Then coming to inorganic chemistry, here you are having direct LAQs. So that is one from the 15th group elements, one from the 16th group elements, and one from 17th group elements. So here you will have from 15th group, 16th, 16th and 17th. 17th. Okay. So here we are having direct LAQs, one from 15th group elements, one from 16th, and one from 17th. So out of total 4 LAQs are there from this. Okay. Total 4 LAQs are there. Out of 4 LAQs, you will be getting 1 LAQ from this. So these are the direct LAQs. So there are no bits like A and B, like how you are having in the physical chemistry. Now coming to the organic chemistry, here you get either 3 or 4 named reactions. 3 or 4 named reactions. So you know what are the named reactions? For example, Raymond-Taman reaction is there. So this is the very important Raymond-Taman reaction. Raymond-Taman is there, Williamson's is there, decarboxylation is there. So these are the most important reactions. So you will see these reactions either in the LAQ as one bit, or you can come across this in the SAQ, or sometimes you will find this in the VSAQ also. Even Sandmeyer reaction is also very important, right? Carbylamine reaction are there, HBZ reactions are. So important named reactions. From that named reactions, either you will get 3 bits or you will get the 4 bits. Okay. So this is the pattern of LAQs. So one LAQ you will get from the physical chemistry. So as I told you, you don't have direct LAQ. You will have bit A and bit B. So bit A will be one chapter and bit B will be from the other lesson. So like electrochemistry 1 bit or chemical kinetics 1 bit. Okay. Or you will get from surface chemistry 1 bit, or solid state is there, solution chapter is there. You know, these all are the chapters which comes under physical chemistry. So there is no direct LAQ. So you will get A and B. So as I told you, only one direct LAQ is there, that is the collision theory. And that also you may get for the 4 marks or you may get for the 8 marks. The next is the inorganic chemistry. So here you will get the LAQ from 15th group, 16th group, and 17th group. These are the direct LAQs. So coming to 15th group, here you are having 2 LAQs. One is preparation of ammonia and one is the preparation of nitric acid by osmosis process. Then coming to 16th group, you are having only one LAQ, that is preparation of ozone. The preparation of sulfuric acid is also there, but that you will get as a 4 marks question. Then coming to 17th group, preparation of chlorine, you will get one direct LAQ. Okay. So preparation of chlorine laboratory method is there, and this Nielsen's process is also there, electrolytic method. But these days they are not giving the electrolytic method, they are giving laboratory method only for preparation of chlorine, right? So from organic chemistry, name reaction, the most important name reaction is the Raymond-Taman reaction. This is the Raymond-Taman reaction. This is the most important reaction. You definitely will find this reaction in the paper. The next comes the Williamson's synthesis. Williamson's synthesis, or it is also called as ether synthesis, and decarboxylation is also very important. Okay, so other reactions are also important, but these reactions definitely you come across in the paper. So you have to be thorough with this. So 16 marks you are going to score in this only. Okay, everyone? Right. Now we'll discuss about the electives. Okay, if you want to just copy down, you can copy down. I'll just give you just few minutes of time. Okay, so one question from physical chemistry, one from inorganic chemistry, one from organic chemistry. Physical chemistry, no direct LAQ, 2 bits you will get. If you write 2 bits, then only you'll get 8 marks. Inorganic chemistry, either you'll get 3, this direct LAQs are there from 15, 16, 17, and from organic chemistry, you'll get name reactions, either 3 name reactions or 4 name reactions. Now we'll get into the electives. Okay, now, so which is the most important LAQs we are going to discuss from? First, I'll discuss from 15th group elements. 15th group elements. So what are 15th group elements? We know this nitrogen family, it is also called as 15th group elements, or it is called as nitrogen family. So why it is called as nitrogen family? Because we know that the nitrogen being the first element of the group, so this group is represented by the name as nitrogen family or 15th group elements. So these elements are present in the 15th group. Now, from this chapter, what LAQ you are going to get? So the first LAQ, how ammonia is manufactured. How ammonia is manufactured by Haber's process. By Haber's process. Okay? And what are its reactions? The following, like with zinc sulfates, okay, with copper sulfates, and with silver chloride. These are the chemical reactions. Okay, students. So the manufacturing of ammonia, it carries 4 marks. If you write manufacture of ammonia, it will get 4 marks. And if you write the reactions, the 3 reactions carries 4 marks. So in this way, the marks will be divided, right? So manufacture is 4 marks and chemical reactions are 4 marks. Okay, now, so coming to the manufacture of ammonia. So how we are going to manufacture ammonia? So here, just take nitrogen gas, N2 gas, and this you react with hydrogen gas. N2 gas, you react with hydrogen gas. Now, so when both of them are reacting, you will get ammonia, NH3, which is also in the gaseous state. Okay, so we are taking nitrogen, right, the gaseous form, and we are reacting nitrogen with the hydrogen, which is also in the gaseous form. We will get ammonia, which is also in the gaseous form. Now, balance this chemical reaction. Sir. Which one? So here, balance this reaction. So 2 mole, 9 N2 gas is reacting with H2 gas to get ammonia. So N2 means 2 nitrogen atoms are there. So 2 nitrogen atoms here. Okay. N2 means 2 nitrogen atoms, 2 here. Then how many hydrogens are there? 2 into 3? 6. 6 means already 2 are there. Like this. Now, here, so this is an exothermic reaction, means energy is given out. Energy given out का symbol क्या है? Minus is the symbol for energy given out. So this is 92.3 kilojoules. So this much of energy is given out when you are preparing 2 moles of ammonia. This much of energy is released for 2 moles of ammonia. Kilojoules. Okay. So this is kg, kilojoules. Okay. Now, here, what are the conditions for preparation of ammonia? What are the conditions for preparation of ammonia? So how you'll come to know the conditions? Okay. How you'll come to know the conditions? So for this, we can apply Le-Chatelier's principle. We can apply Le-Chatelier's principle. So you are aware of this Le-Chatelier's principle because already we have studied this in the first year. Okay, Le-Chatelier's principle. Now, for what reactions this Le-Chatelier's principle is applicable? The first condition is when the reactants and products are in gaseous states. When the reactants and products are in the gaseous state, you can apply Le-Chatelier's principle. This is one condition. And the next condition, when delta N is not equal to 0. So when delta N is not equal to 0, matlab, the number of moles of reactant should not be equal to number of moles of products. Then only you can apply this Le-Chatelier's principle. Now, so this principle will help you to write the conditions for the preparation of ammonia. How it is going to help? We'll discuss that. So here, total how many moles of reactants are there? NR is how much? 1 plus 3, 4. NR is 4. So NR is 4, right? So total 4 moles of reactants are present. Now, coming to the products. How many moles of products are there? NP is how much? It is 2 moles, right? Now, here, can we apply Le-Chatelier's principle or not? So what is the condition for that? Delta N should not be equal to 0. So what is delta N here? Delta N is equals to number of moles of product minus number of moles of reactants. What is delta N? Number of moles of products minus number of moles of reactants. Here, how many moles of products? 2 moles of products. How many moles of reactants? 4 moles of reactants. So total is minus 2. So now you can apply the Le-Chatelier's principle. You don't have to write all these things in the answer. Only for your clarification, how to write the conditions. I'm explaining this. You don't have to write all these things. Only you have to mention about the Le-Chatelier's principle. Now, so what are the conditions? What are the conditions here? Temperature, pressure. The important conditions, temperature and pressure. Now, here, what is happening to number of moles of reactants and product? Here, 4 moles of reactants are there, 2 moles of products are there. Means, when you are moving from towards the right side, from reactant to product side, the number of moles are decreasing. The volume is decreasing. The number of moles are decreasing means volume is decreasing. Now, so what is the relation between volume and pressure? The volume and pressure are inversely proportional. So here volume is decreasing, means this reaction should take place at high pressure. Yes. So the condition pressure is the reaction takes place at high pressure. High pressure of how much? It is 200 to 300 atmospheres. High pressure of 200 to 300 atmospheres. Now, the next, what is the relation between volume and temperature? Volume and temperature are directly proportional. Matlab, as volume increases, temperature also increases. Or as volume decreases, temperature should also decrease. So here, the volume, number of volumes are decreasing from reactant to product. Means the reaction should take place at a low temperature. The reaction should take place at a low temperature. But at low temperature, the yield of ammonia, the quantity of ammonia produced is very, very less. At low temperature, the yield of ammonia is very, very less. So, in order to improve the yield of ammonia, instead of maintaining low temperature, a moderate temperature of 725 to 775 Kelvin is used. Okay, so a moderate temperature of 725 to 775 Kelvin is used. Only these 2 points you have to take from this. So this reaction, so that is preparation of ammonia. Okay, so preparation of ammonia. So you have to write the. So you have to write the equation. So this equation into gas plus 3H2 here delta H is equals to minus, because it is an exothermic reaction, 92.3 kJ, kilojoules. So for writing this equation, you will get 1 mark. Okay, students. So you'll get 1 mark for writing this equation. So what is that you have to write? Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to give ammonia. Delta H is minus 92.3 kJ per mole. If you write this whole equation, you will get 1 mark. The next, conditions. What are the conditions for this reaction? So as we know, so this is a reversible reaction. It is a reversible reaction, means when you change the conditions, the product starts giving rise to reactants. So it is a reversible reaction. So first is called, it is a reversible reaction. Reversible. Okay. And it is, since the energy is given out, so it is an exothermic reaction. Energy is given out, so it is an exothermic reaction. Now, what is the pressure? The reaction takes place at high pressure. High pressure of how much? 200 to 300 atm, atmospheres. Then, what is the temperature? Here, actually, according to the conditions, automatically ऐसा हो जा रहा है second time. Again, it has become like this. कौन सा? Where ma? Board. So then temperature. So as we have said, the reaction should, according to the equation, the reaction should take place at low temperature. But we have seen that at low temperature, the yield of ammonia is very less. So therefore, we are using a moderate temperature. मतलब ना ज़्यादा ना कम. Okay, moderate temperature मतलब ना ज़्यादा ना कम. So how much it is? 725 to 775 Kelvin. Okay, now here the catalyst also plays the role, right? So catalyst is also important. So what is the catalyst? Catalyst is the iron oxide. We are using iron oxide plus little amount of potassium oxide plus aluminum oxide also. Okay, so what is the catalyst? Iron oxide is catalyst, and we are having using little amount of potassium oxide and aluminum oxide also. Now here we are employing the moderator also. Moderator, so the moderator will be molybdenum. Okay, so moderator is molybdenum, right? So these conditions, if you write pressure, how much was the pressure? We have seen in the other slide, pressure is 200 to 300 atmospheres, right? So pressure and temperature 725 to 775 Kelvin, and the catalyst iron oxide with little amounts of potassium oxide and aluminum oxide, and moderator molybdenum. So if you write these conditions, okay, so you'll get 2 marks. So out of 4 marks, 1 mark we got for writing the equation and 2 marks for writing the conditions. Now, what is the procedure? So what is the procedure? Take nitrogen, okay, and pass it into the hydrogen and maintain the condition. You will get ammonia. So just the reaction you have to write in the words. That's it. Okay. So for writing this, you will get 4 marks. So this is the preparation of ammonia is for 4 marks. 1 mark is for writing the equation. 1 mark is for 2 marks are for writing the conditions, and 1 mark you are giving the description of the procedure. Okay. The next, chemical properties. Chemical properties of ammonia. Chemical properties of ammonia. Here, we'll come across 3 reactions of ammonia. So, first one, ammonia, reaction of ammonia. Reaction of ammonia with zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, and one is with the CuSO4, and other is with the AgCl. Okay, so reaction of ammonia, one is with the zinc sulfate, one is with the copper sulfate, and one is with the AgCl. Now, so first is with the ZnSO4, reaction of ammonia with ZnSO4. So ammonia or ammonium hydroxide. So ammonia, when you dissolve ammonia in water, you will get ammonium hydroxide. So this you are reacting with the zinc sulfate. ZnSO4 is the zinc sulfate. This is also aqueous we are taking. This is also aqueous. So how we are going to get ammonium hydroxide? Ammonia, if you dissolve in water. Ammonia, if you dissolve in water, you will get ammonium hydroxide. Okay, now, so ammonium hydroxide, you are reacting with the zinc sulfates. What products you will get? Here, the OH ions get attaches with the zinc, and this SO4 gets attaches with the ammonium. So you'll get ammonium sulfate, NH4, taken twice, SO4 plus plus ZnOH taken twice. So this is zinc hydroxide. सिंपल सा रिएक्शन है स्टूडेंट्स. आपको ये कैसा याद रखना है, सिर्फ एक्सचेंज ऑफ एनियंस को आपको करना है. तो जिंक का एनियन, अमोनियम का एनियन जो है जिंक के पास चला जाएगा और जिंक का एनियन जो है अमोनियम के पास आ जाएगा. So you'll get ammonium sulfate plus zinc hydroxide. Okay, so this is the first reaction. Take down this reaction and you have to write the statement also. How you write the statement? Simple the statement banao. So this is ammonium hydroxide. I simply can write ammonia reacts with aqueous zinc sulfate. Aqueous zinc sulfate. In the statement, you are not supposed to write the formula. Please remember that. Zinc sulfate to give simple sir statement hai. To give zinc hydroxide plus ammonium sulfates. Okay, so statement and reaction carries equal marks. Suppose this reaction is for 2 marks. So 1 mark you will get for statement and 1 mark you will get for equation. Please copy down this. Balance this here, 2 moles of OH are there. Okay, so this will be here 2 moles of ammonia, 1 sulfate ion, 1 zinc. Okay, next one is reaction with copper sulfate. Reaction with copper sulfate. CuSO4 aqueous. Aqueous means we are taking the solution. Right? Now, ammonia reacts with 4 moles of ammonia reacts with copper sulfate aqueous to give CuNH3 taken 4 times SO4. So this is blue complex. It is blue complex. Why we are calling it as complex? Because here this ammonia is forming coordinate covalent bond, CCB, coordinate covalent bond with the copper. So therefore, it is called as a complex. The compounds in which the coordinate covalent bond takes place and which contains D block metal. We know that copper is a D block metal. So therefore, so it is called a complex. Now, what is the IUPAC name of this complex? For writing IUPAC name, first you have to name the ligand with the prefix. उसके बाद मतलब जितने ligands है, उसके बाद metal ion, उसके बाद metal ion का oxidation state, then उसके बाद primary valency. So primary valency. So what primary valency? What is primary valency? जो groups coordination sphere के बाहर रहते हैं. What is coordination sphere? So the metal ion and ligands is called as coordination sphere. So जो species coordination sphere के बाहर रहते हैं, they are called as primary valencies, or this is called as secondary valency, or it is also called as ligand. And we know this is the central metal or transition metal. So ligand क्या है? Amine है. How many amines are there? 4 amines. 4 amines के लिए prefix क्या है? Tetra. और 4 the prefix is tetra. So tetra amine. Actually इसका नाम अमोनिया है, लेकिन इसको कॉम्प्लेक्सेस में अमाइन बोल के पढ़ते हैं. टेट्रा अमाइन copper. Here, the oxidation state of copper is 2. So the oxidation state we must represent in the Roman numbers. Then sulfate. So this is the IUPAC name of the complex. So why I'm asking to write the IUPAC name? Because one important question you will get on naming of the complexes also. So if repeatedly if you write, you will get acquainted with this. So this is the complex. If you want, you can simply write blue complex, or if you want to write the name, you can write the name also. So this is blue complex. What is the statement here? Ammonia reacts with copper sulfate. Statement kya hai? So what is the statement? Ammonia reacts with aqueous copper sulfate to give a blue complex. Okay, students? This is the second reaction. Please copy down this. So this is tetraamine copper to sulfate. So IUPAC name लिखने का मेथड क्या है? Ligand followed by metal ion, which is followed by oxidation state, then which is followed by primary valence. Okay, if you want to write this, write, otherwise no need. Okay, so this will help you to write the IUPAC names of the complexes. So copy down this reaction. This is the statement. First you need to write the statement. Simple words में statement बना लो. So how the reaction is appearing. So in that way only write the statement. Here it is ammonia. Ammonia reacts with the copper sulfate. Plus matlab copper sulfate. Plus matlab reacts. Copper sulfate gives rise to matlab arrow, then products. Ammonia reacts with aqueous copper sulfate to give a blue complex. इसका नाम क्या है? Tetraamine copper to sulfate. This is important, students, because अगर आपको IUPAC nomenclature of complexes का question आया, that will help you to write, because it's the direct for writing 4 answers you will get 4 marks. Okay, so better to try to remember this. So next third reaction, the last reaction, third is with reaction with AgCl aqueous. AgCl matlab silver chloride. So 2 moles of ammonia is reacting with the AgCl to give a colorless complex. This is also a complex, students. So this is 2 ammonia molecules and a Cl. So what is the IUPAC name? First you have to name about the secondary valency. So what is secondary valence? What is the prefix given? 2 means di. So this is diamine, then silver. So oxidation state of silver is 1, silver 1 chloride. It is a colorless complex. This is also complex because it is forming coordinate covalent bond. The ammonia is donating its lone pair of electrons to form coordinate covalent bond with the silver. Now what is the statement? Simple statement. Ammonia reacts with aqueous silver chloride to give diamine silver to chloride. Okay, students. So preparation and three chemical property. Preparation 4 marks and three chemical properties 4 marks. Okay. So first chemical property was with the what? With the zinc sulfate. Then second reaction was with the copper sulfate. And the third reaction is with the silver chloride. Simple the reactions, students. Simple statement banao. Don't make your statement complicated. What you are seeing in the equation, you make the statement in that way only. Very simple statement. So ammonia reacts with silver chloride to give colorless complex of diamine silver 1 chloride. Simple the statement banao. Okay. So for preparation 4 marks and chemical properties 4 marks. So you'll get 8 on 8. Okay. So you'll get 8 on 8. So पूरा पॉइंट्स लिखे तो 8 मार्क्स आते हैं. प्रिपरेशन का रिएक्शन जो है 1 मार्क का है. कंडीशंस जो है 2 मार्क्स का है. So reaction words में लिखने के लिए 1 मार्क है. So total it is for 4 marks. Preparation is for 4 marks. And chemical properties, 3 chemical properties are there. One is with the zinc sulfate, the next is with the copper sulfate, and the third one is with the AgCl. So for writing these reactions, you will get 4 marks. Okay, please copy down this.